Hello everyone, welcome to the Jackson 100% channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple method to recover or reset a forgotten Gmail password directly from your phone. Step 1. Go to Settings, open your phone settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Google. Step 2. Go to your Google account, tap on Google account. Then scroll down and select the Security and Sign-in option. Step 3. Change the password. Now tap on Password. A new window will appear. You will be asked to enter your phone's lock password, PIN, or pattern. Step 4. Create a new password. Now you can create a new Gmail password. In the first box, type the new password you want to use. In the second box, retype the same password to confirm. Finally, tap Save. And that's it. You've successfully reset your forgotten Gmail password. Don't forget to choose a strong password that's also easy for you to remember. If this video was helpful to you, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the Jackson 100% channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips.